Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and this is the second half of my Temu haul. It finally came in. If I would have known they were within a few days of each other to be delivered, I would have just waited, but I didn't. So this is their laundry sheets, similar to the other kind of laundry sheets that I tried from a different company. But this one's $1.98. There are 30 sheets in there. And I'm going to give them a try, because if they're just as good as the other ones, I'm probably just going to order a bunch of these, because obviously they're a lot cheaper. But I will have to give them a try to see if they're just as good. I do know that the other company has 60 loads, and this is only 30, so it's half the loads. But it's also ridiculous price compared to the other ones, so I'm gonna give them a try, see if they're just as good, and if they are, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of these. They dissolve just like the other ones, so yeah, we'll have to see. I bought the non-scented also, by the way, because I didn't want to take a chance of being allergic to the other one. And then I picked up some they're similar to iodine pads. It's like an iodine mix that's in here. And for $1.98, I got, let's see, 50, so I got 100 sticks. And you just crack bend down the tip, and it cracks it and releases it so you can use it. So I figured that would be a good addition to my first aid supplies, especially at $1.98 for a 50 pack. So $1.98 for 50 of them. I didn't think that was a bad idea. So I got 2 of them, so I have 100 now. That will last me quite a while, seeing that I don't use them very often. It did kind of remind me of the old iodine bottles with the little plastic thing that you use it with. My grandpa used to make smiley faces when I would have when I would scrape myself or something, and he'd put that on there. He would always add a little smiley face. So it kind of reminded me of that when I saw these. But I also I got them not because of that, but because I thought it would be a good addition to my first aid supplies and my first aid kit. So there you go. Those are the last 2 items on the Temu haul. I think they sent them separate because these are chemicals versus versus the other stuff. So anyways, that's what I got, and I'll be adding them into my rotation. I'm going to put these in my first aid kit, and one in my first aid kit, some of it in my first aid kit, and the rest in my medical supplies stuff. And then I'm going to try this, and if it works, I'm going to stock up on them. Because that's 30 loads versus a big jug. So, to me, that's pretty much a no-brainer as long as it works the way it should. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.